Hey team, it's Danya, your performance coach, here with Todd, and today we are taking you through video 3 of our hip series of Are Your Hips Tight or Are They Weak? Now if you haven't yet, go back to video 1 where you actually get to do a self-test at home to figure out, are they tight and you need to stretch them, or are they actually weak? So many people don't actually know and they just keep stretching, and actually you're doing probably some more damage than good. So if you tested weak, this drill's for you. We're going to take you through a seated hip flexor strengthening exercise. And this one is easy to cheat, so pay attention. Todd is going to do his best to sit nice and upright. He's going to bend his right knee into his chest and hold it. That's fine. Good. Notice how he's not trying to lose his neutral spine here, staying nice and tall. Now he's going to brace his core, flex his quad, and try and see if he can lift his leg up and over a very small object. Right, so this might be at home like a shoe, it could just be anything, even a sock. Just trying to engage those hip flexors to lift up and over slightly. To make this easier, make the object go lower. To make this harder, I don't think you'll do this, Todd, make it taller. Now, obviously as you make it taller, right, you wanna make sure you're not rolling back or leaning back to leverage that. You want the strength to come from your hip flexors, actually lifting your leg up and over, not momentum of your body falling backwards. Todd, how is it?
Yeah, it's good.
Can you feel your hip flexors firing up?
Fully engaged here, yeah, completely.
Awesome. Okay, so this is something super simple you can do at home. Again, make sure you test to actually know what you need to do to strengthen or stretch those areas. Now what do we do, Todd?
Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We're always doing these different series for you to make you move and feel your best, improve your performance, and enjoy the content, really.
Yeah, see you in the next video.
Cheers.